Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today it's a big news from Robinhood, and this is a chance for you to make some extra money. Just stick till the end of this video and you will know exactly how. So with that, let's start. Hello guys, welcome to AD Finance, and today I want to share a big news that came from Robinhood, and this is gonna give you a chance to make extra money. I know a lot of you do option selling in my audience, and this is gonna be a key to make that extra income. So I'm gonna show you exactly what the news is and how you can take advantage of that. So let me share my screen. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, right, this is the news. They have introduced 3.25 APY on options collateral, right? Until now, let's say take an example, right? So until now, if you had let's say $50,000 in your account, right, and you are doing cash secured put, you are just limited to the premium that you collect, right? So let's say you do two cash secured puts, your money is blocked and you're not earning anything extra other than the premium that you collected, right? So that's gonna change. Now you're gonna be making extra interest on that money that is blocked for the collateral as a collateral for cash secured put. You make that 3.25 extra interest on top of that, right? So this is very big for if you are a long time cash secured put or option sellers. This is gonna be a huge interest that you're gonna be paid. Okay, so they did announce this in the Twitter as well. Let me show that. So this was the announcement from them, right? So you can soon earn 3.25 API on the cash that you are holding as options collateral, and this is coming in March. I believe this is coming on March 26th, I think, but something later half of the March they're gonna be starting that. So remember, again, this is only for the gold subscriber, which I assume that most of the option seller, if you are in Robinhood, you would be definitely taking advantage of this one. If not, definitely do that. This $5 is worth a lot, that it gives you the margin and a lot of other benefits that you get by being a gold subscriber. So if you're not, definitely do that. And this gonna be a key one example. I quickly want to show you some to make it actually crystal clear on how much extra potential that you will have, right, once this is in play. So if I go here, right, let's say just for example, let's say you have a $50,000 account that you, or the money that you use for selling cash secured put, right? So on that, let's say you make premiums, right? Monthly premium. I'm just keeping it pretty less. Let's say $1,000 that you kind of make by selling the premiums, right? So for a 1 year period, in a 3.5 API, right? For a 1 year period, I've selected 50,000. And if you look at here, right? So you will be making $2,000 additional just by doing what you do, which is cash secured put. You don't have to do anything extra. Your money is blocked there, and you are by in a year you're gonna be making this extra income. So definitely a very good move by Robinhood to attract more customers. I don't think any of the other brokerages have this extra interest. So definitely a move by Robinhood that's gonna attract more options traders to into their platform, and it is good for overall as Robinhood brokerage, as your primary brokerage. Like I, most of my options trading are in Robinhood. Simple reasons. It's pretty straightforward, easy to understand, easy to do through in your cell phone or in your desktop, right? Anywhere you want. It's very pretty much very easy to execute any kind of trades, starting from simple trades to the advanced trades, right? So it's very easy to execute. If you are not using Robinhood, I have a link down in the description. Not gonna cost you anything extra, and I will make that extra commission. If you are still in Robinhood, then I would highly recommend that you do check out this platform. It's amazing in for options traders. So yeah, guys, that was a quick video for today, and I just wanted to show you this before it comes, so you can plan it accordingly. Your money, or if you have to move something from out of some other brokerages or whatever way you plan. Just wanted to show you this quick news. There's gonna be a big benefit to make that extra income apart from the premium. If you have any questions around this or in general options trading, do put your question down in the comment below. I do read all of them and I will respond. With that, I'm closing this one. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye.